Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hakajan me jongga khatnyo terek mutau benai rempang. Kaseng birya ukhasi, ni kasebok kebalapanya ya khasi learning course, kala perlong ya jingelang kebakarpang, ban pediang buram ya bedangwan sya hikai temai, hakani kejaka hikai ya tin khasi. Hakani keju kasngi lasamru ya certificate syaki arpsa ngot ki belada pentebet yalade hakaktin khasi. Kaba kasbok kala sedang house name Arjar Khasan Hashilong Law College kebaha dan keti. Bat yakini ke certificate lasam do kongsan jongkani ke jelang UCB Gurung ubadai u secretary jongka governing body jongka Shillong Law College. Kiwai de ki balai dan lang hakani ke jelang ki kentop yakino hikai ki bahikai ya ka khasi learning course. Ki dikhot jongka sebok bat kiwai de ki dikhot jongka Shillong Law College. Bat dapen bernya yakani ke janmiet da ki jingruai bat ka drama lingkon da ki katto katni ki bapuli hakani ke jaka puli jongka sebok.
Khasi language is perhaps very sweet language. And again, to learn and to be associated with the state of Meghalaya and with the Khasi language itself is perhaps a milestone in the life of those students. I believe so. This book, the very motto itself is written here, what Kuswari Kavyang Wait. That means, don't worry, everything will be fine. That itself makes them to us to very wonderful thing. The initiative taken by this book in this way, perhaps it is one of the finest way to enrich the Khasi language. And so therefore, Khasi language and through it, and then again, the intertwining of the community relations. So I should say, it is a wonderful job and a wonderful service extended by this book to the communities as a whole. And again, in a very, this is a humble way of doing things. But as we say completely, the service to man is service to God. In fact, the service given by this book to the society, it is really very outstanding one. Today, I have been invited, requested by this book, Bakharprang, to be present here and be a part in the distributions of the certificate to all the wonderful students of our society. I hope in the years to come, in the days to come, these contributions and the initiative taken by this book will be really, it will produce only the sweetness of life, sweetness of integration, sweetness of the fraternity that it generates. So therefore, to be part and parcel of these functions and to be part and parcels of the contributions made by this book, I think I really find myself there is no word, really no word to express my gratitude to them.
Come, inside basically nama.
Oh, it walks like.
Oh, kita ginawan.
Oh, dilawan.
Kablok kali pi.
Ngala antang hikum jam. Syong. Can we introduce?
Na ide ikme jom orang ini ide ha ini ide mama.
Okay, ini kepa, but ini mama, ikai pada.
in ya sedang no ya kaneka jingya ke katin apen kini ki samlat.
Kunjongi ubah seni dan ubah beliau untuk aktor.
Dan ba cái thi cho ý đủ của công ty không
Babri उनका प्रियंका चोपड़ा but start बाबा but why हिंदी रू
ini mama tuh iba pilih pada.
तो kini ki samlat kini ya pendek sati ya pe.
Yahabat kani ka jinyama balasor na ka jimrai jong iba Freddy Colas kaba EI kerteng kuble shimna na tang kijing kuble kaba kasni kanang yatste shalindet kilum kansa set kapor ban ai klak kalade ngamban hapi ban ai AA Himre tang kijing kuble te kunta mangi ki students jongka Khasi Learning Center ru ni ai tang kijing kuble ya baro ki dekhot kas book but ya ki non hikai ba e jong kuble shibun